Guys, today we are getting our Christmas tree. We're so excited. We're here at the place, a local place where we're gonna be picking it up. We're gonna choose our tree, bring it home, and set it all up. So guys, we're having a really hard time deciding on which tree to go with. I've just suggested to Jeff that we go with one that's still in wrapping so that we can just pick a tree and get out of here. There's just so many choices and I can be really indecisive sometimes. Yeah, so we're still trying to figure this out. We're about 20-30 minutes in and we just want to get our tree and get out of here. But yeah, let's figure this out. We got our Christmas tree! Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. We got our Christmas tree, finally, a little early this year, to say the least. Here it is. It's still all wrapped up in this sort of mesh. We gotta take that off, but really exciting to get our Christmas tree for this year all set up. Have you gotten your Christmas tree yet? It's kind of a weird year, I have to say. I've heard things about there being like Christmas tree shortages. Not really sure if that's true. What I do know is last year we had a bigger, taller tree and we paid about double for the tree that we have this year. So definitely some weird changes going on. What are your guys' thoughts on all of that? But in this video, I'm gonna be decorating our Christmas tree and giving you a little update on all of those Amaryllis bulbs that I planted a couple of weeks ago. It's crazy, stay tuned. All right guys, I'm gonna start with a really quick update on my Amaryllis bulbs. If you saw one of my recent videos, I ended up potting up and planting 13 Amaryllis bulbs, plus I have the ones from last year, so I think altogether I have around 14 or 15, maybe even 16 that are going to be in bloom, hopefully all around the same time. So let me give you a quick little look at an update on how that's all looking. So guys, the great news is every single one of these bulbs is starting to bloom, not flower, but bloom, or the foliage is coming in. So it's incredibly exciting. There were a couple of bulbs that I weren't sure if they were gonna come through or not, but literally every single one, some even like this one, have done quite a lot so far. One really great tip is you really do have to rotate the pot around so that the stems kind of stay centered and are growing kind of vertically straight up. Otherwise they will start to like do a whole bunch of weird stuff. But here are the other ones, and like you can see, they're all doing super, super well. So just really excited. That video is going to be totally insane. And so yeah, even this one's done quite a bit. This one, the Samba, has been so reluctant, but it is starting. Guys, my Thanksgiving cactus is totally my pride and joy at the moment. This thing is in full force, flowering like, you know, it's just awesome. It's so vibrant, the deep sort of pink red color. And another little tip that I didn't mention in the video that I did on this is another way to distinguish whether or not you have a Christmas cactus or a Thanksgiving cactus is you can actually tell from the on my Thanksgiving cactus, you can see here that the pollen is like a yellowy color, and I believe on a Christmas cactus that would actually be white. So another great tip to tell those two apart. Anyways guys, the rest of this video is going to be me decorating this tree. Really excited for the reveal and how it all comes together at the end of this video. So excited for the holidays this year and can't wait to get started on this tree. So guys, finally got that pesky plastic off the tree. All right guys, I haven't even opened this up in like a year. I don't even remember what we have going on in here. I should have my lights and tree decorations. And yeah, I'm going to get this bad boy started. FML, oh my God. Ugh, so annoying. Guys, I love this Swarovski ornament. It's so sparkly and shiny. We only have this one. We wanted to get one every year. We haven't yet got one this year. So maybe we'll have some time to get one in the next little while, but ooh, love this. Can't wait to show you guys what this looks like at night with all the lights on. It's crazy. Even with the sun, things are really nicely sparkling and shining. I think we could use a little bit more, a couple more ornaments for sure. All right guys, so I have to say I'm quite happy with how it's all turned out. It's really beautiful. I do have one really important missing component to all of this, which is I need a tree topper. So if you have any suggestions of something that would really go with all of this, let me know in the comments down below. But I'm really feeling festive now. It's starting to feel a lot like Christmas. So happy I got my tree up early. And yeah, just going to enjoy the beautiful aroma that is Christmas and these beautiful, shining, brilliant lights with all of these cute little ornaments. I know I could add a ton more to the tree, but it's nice to do that over time with, you know, meaningful objects, and we'll see what I'm able to add, but this is a great first start. So guys, that's it for me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet already subscribed to my channel. And I'm wishing you and your family a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy, you know, what it is that you celebrate over this time of year from my family to yours. I miss you guys already. Until the next one.